Updating your payment method on Rivery is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Rivery platform by entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is typically found in the user profile menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, find and click on the payment methods section. This area allows you to view and manage your current payment information. Step 4. Update your payment information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm and save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Rivery. Keeping your payment information current ensures uninterrupted access to your services.